So it turns out you can find more than just displacement and time from a displacement versus time graph. What you can also use the displacement versus time graph to find is velocity. And what is our formula for velocity? Velocity is change in displacement over change in time. Looking at the way we set up our graph here and how we set up all of our displacement versus times graph, displacement is the change in the y, and time is the change in x. So change in y is how quickly we're moving up and down, or our rise. Change in x is how quickly we're moving side to side, or our run. This is commonly in math referred to as the slope. So the velocity of a displacement versus time graph is the slope. Another way we can think about it is looking at our unit analysis, or a dimensional analysis. Change in y comes from meters. Change in x is going to be in seconds. So since our slope is measured in meters per second, we know that our slope must measure velocity. If this had been distance versus time, it would have given us speed instead of velocity. So once again, from displacement versus time, we get velocity. We can see a positive slope here, so that is our velocity. We're not moving here, so our velocity is 0, our slope is 0. And then here we have a negative slope because we're heading back in the direction from which we started.